What is going on, everybody? Welcome back. MTG here with another episode. If you're new to the channel, hi there. This video I'm very excited for. My other unboxings too, but this one particularly because this is my first Samsung Galaxy Z Fold. It's the 6th iteration, but it's going to be my first Fold from Samsung. I have used other foldables. I've used the Flip for about 4 years now, and I've used the OnePlus Open, but this is a first for me, and I think it was a good time to finally try out the Fold. But I also do have the Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra. Definitely be sure to check that video, which is coming as well as Z Flip 6 and Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. That video should also be on the channel by now, but they did a really good job. Like, look at this Flip 6 right here. This is so clean. Anyway, this is the device that I'm really excited for, so let's get right into it. Now, the one thing that I noticed with the Flip 6, and I hope I noticed with the Flip 5 is, or the one thing, let me say that again, the one thing I noticed with the Flip 6 that I hope I noticed with the Fold 6 is the crease. Has it been reduced? Now I haven't tried, like I said, I haven't tried past Fold device, so I can't really compare it, but we'll see. Ooh, look at that navy. Look at that navy Fold 6. Oh my goodness, this is clean. Ooh, this is a clean blue. Like, this is the exact, this is like almost the same blue as my desk mat from my MTG Productions desk mat. Oh my goodness. Wow. Look at that. And it really takes design cues from the S24 series, but ooh, this is super clean. Let's put that aside for just a moment. We don't have anything here. Everything else lays right here, if we can kind of pop that open. And I kind of miss the old unboxings where they had everything. They had like headphones. Then again, it was a normal, what's it called? Just the 3.5 millimeter headphone jack type of headphones, but you can still have USB-C headphones. They don't have that anymore. They don't have the charging brick, so we got USB-C to C cable, which gets some manuals and all that stuff, SIM ejector tool. Again, I'm not really gonna go into detail. Let's kind of throw that in there if it kind of wants to go back in there, but there we go. Just kind of fold it like that, because I want to put this back in the box. And it looks like it's not gonna fold, so I'm just gonna squeeze it tight in there, just like that. There we go. But yeah, Fold 6. Wow. Let's take off the inside wrapper first. Wow. It used to be so satisfying way back before. I don't know why they're like this now, but let's go ahead and also pop, well, right here, I think. There's really no, there we go. There we go, just like that. Ooh. Now this too, just like the Flip 6, doesn't have an anti-reflective coating. And the one thing I like is it doesn't have, other devices have the IMEI. This one, I don't see an IMEI, which is great. Like, it doesn't have it on the outside of the phone, which is a good thing. Oh yeah, this crease is, it's literally, it's there and you can see, but it's not as bad as I was originally anticipating. I think they did a pretty good job. Ooh, that's a nice, ooh, this, it's just super clean. Like, it feels so premium. There's my first Fold. And I gotta say, it's very light. It is very light. Just a comparison, I'm just gonna bring this right here. This is the OnePlus Open I'm currently using. Oh yeah, this is so, I think they're about the same, maybe. But just the footprint, I think this one feels so much thinner. We're gonna try it out, because with the Fold before, I used to call it like a candy bar. It was really, the display, the outer display especially, was really kind of thin. And we're gonna try it with the Fold 6. And the thing I love about the Open is it's like a conventional smartphone, the outer display. So I really wanna try out the Fold 6. And obviously I'll be testing this, putting my SIM card in here and all that good stuff. But in the meantime, I first gotta kind of get through this, and I'll be right back. All right, so I'm back and I did the initial setup process. First of all, this display is phenomenal, feels very smooth, but just a quick rundown. So we're getting an inner 7.6-inch AMOLED 120 Hz display. We get the under display camera, which I don't know, I guess it's I can see it from here, so it's not really that like 100% under display. Like I can see like the pixels, if you know what I mean. And everything else about this display, though, it's a Samsung phone. You're going to get good display. With the outer 6.3-inch AMOLED 120 Hz cover. And, you know, I'm used to using the Fold, so this definitely does feel much, you know, kind of like a candy bar. But I think it's going to be manageable, and I'll talk about that in my full review. But I guess Samsung did make this a little bit less, you know, bezels, kind of thinner bezels, let's put it that way, thinner bezel, a little bit shorter. So it kind of is better usage of the Fold 5. Again, I haven't used the Fold 5, so I can't really talk about any experience on that. So we're just gonna have to see with my full review of that. Going back to the camera, again, this 10 megapixel, or this 4 megapixel, not 10, 4 megapixel camera. So that's that for the inner display, and we're getting right here a 10 megapixel selfie camera right for the outer. 4 is for the inner. Right here, we're getting a 3 camera setup, a new 12 megapixel ultra wide, a 50 megapixel main, and a 10 megapixel 3x camera. So it looks like we're gonna get some pretty decent cameras right here. The one thing I noticed is like when I'm pressing the power button, which is also a fingerprint sensor, I don't know, I feel like it's a little bit too like on the lower end for me, but again, this is just first impressions. Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, 12 gigs of RAM, either 256, 512 or a terabyte of storage, 4,400, I believe, milliamp hour battery, 25 watts wired charging, I think it's IP48 rated. Let me know in the comments down below if it's not. Wi-Fi 6E, and a $100 increase here in the US starting. So it's now $18.99 versus $17.99 with the previous Fold 5. So for an extra $100, is it going to be worth it? We'll see. Ooh, that actually looks pretty cool. It's like super miniature, but maybe I might use it that way. Who knows? I just love this design. This blue color I think is fantastic. I don't know, I honestly think this is like one of the best colors of a phone that I've come across in a couple of years now. One of my old-time favorites. Again, like blue is one of my favorite colors, and this is by no exception like a really great shade of blue. And just opening it like that, it looks easy to hold in one hand and kind of just maneuver with the other hand, or you can hold it like this. And we're gonna try it out, play Call of Duty and play those other games, watch YouTube videos and things like that, see if it works. Oh, and it works like that too. So you can use it in landscape or in kind of its normal original mode. But yeah, I'm really excited for the Galaxy Z Fold 6 because this is my first Fold from Samsung. Links are going to be in the description down below if you want to check this device out, if you want to support the channel. I got my other videos. Definitely be sure to stay tuned. I will be comparing this to the OnePlus Open. If you want to check out this wallpaper right here, it's my latest wallpaper pack. I'm so excited I can't even speak. It's called Urban Glow. Links will be in the description down below. Yeah, but I'm going to compare, just look at it quick side by side, just like that. Yeah, this is definitely more rounded off versus the squared off with the Fold 6. And actually, let me see how it is kind of folded. Which one is thinner? And honestly, let's go like that. Actually, maybe the Fold 6 is a little bit thinner. I don't know, but they both fold completely flat. And like I said, the crease is very minimal. Actually, let's compare it to the OnePlus Open. You know, they may be about the same. They may be about the same. But the thing I like about it is, with the Flip 6 too, is it's not really of a huge indent where your finger runs in the display and comes back out. It kind of just like quickly flows across. So hopefully in the coming years, they'll kind of completely get rid of the crease. But until then, this is what we got. So good job, Samsung. Super excited. I kind of wish this had a slot for the S Pen, but oh well, that's okay. I hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, definitely be sure to Superman that subscribe button, comment down below, and best of all, share this video because it really does help out the channel a lot and will help push my content out to more people. That's been it for me. I'll catch you guys in the next episode. If you want to see videos of cases of the Fold 6, the Flip 6, also let me know in the comments down below, and just any other video ideas. I will be reading those comments. Even if I don't reply, I read them all, and we may put those types of case videos on the channel. That's been it for me. I'll catch you guys in the next one.